If you see an Igbo man, don't blame him for building houses in Lagos, in Ikoyi, in Lekki, in Ekpe. Don't blame an Igbo man for building any house in Yoruba land. Don't blame him for building land, building house and buying land in Ogun State, in Osun State. Don't blame him of buying land in Kano, in Kaduna, in Katsina, in all the areas. Don't blame him. Let me tell you, a person who cannot help you can never come and buy land in your place. Know it. A person who has no future for futuristic purposes for your people, for you, can never come to your place and buy land. Anyone you see around your house, around your village, around your community, around your state, or in your country that comes to buy land and build a house, that person loves you. See, a stingy person can never give out anything, even if he has the whole world. Don't blame an Igbo man. Igbo people are not stingy. They cannot underdevelop you, no matter whatsoever you think. If you like, you can go and hawk transformer. The truth must be spoken. It is a man who has a benevolent heart that can, out of his small, give you what he has. Igbos are not stingy people like other people. How many Hausa people have bought land in Igbo land? Does it mean they don't do business in Igbo land? Go, everywhere is Hausa. Everywhere is Fulani in Igbo land. But they cannot buy a land from you. They cannot buy land from you. Talk more of spending their billions to build a house. You may not like it, but I don't want you to like it. That is truth. I am not here to segregate against anybody, but I am telling you the truth. Go and check. How many of your brothers who are not Igbo people have bought land in Igbo land and built a house? If you have a brother in Igbo land, you are not an Igbo, you have a brother in Igbo land who have bought a land and built, know it that your brother is not stingy. He's not the type that underdeveloped people. How many Yoruba people have bought land and built mansion in Igbo land? No, if you are the one, give me on the comment section. Every time you people are talking about Igbo, Igbo have taken our land, Igbo have molested our culture, Igbo have done that, Igbo have done what? You that is talking this nonsense have never lived in anybody's place. It's just within your place. You are just communicating because you don't know what is communication. Poverty mentality, undeveloped mentality is still destroying you. Igbos have bought our land. You see, let me tell you, if an Igbo man buys a land in your place and build a house, you should be going to his house every morning to thank him. Tell him, thank you for developing me. Go to Osun State. You know Osun? Those bushes there will Osun people only develop that place. Is it Hausa Fulani that will develop it for you? Rather, they will use Nama and destroy your farm. But when Igbo people enter now, they buy 1 acre, 2 acres, 10 acres. Everybody will be bringing his brothers. They will buy and start building houses. A place you cannot even develop. Take for instance Ogun State. In different parts of Ogun State are bush. They cannot develop it. If you go to the places they call their village, you see the desolated city. Houses that doesn't worth anything. Because why? Don't they like a good house? They like good houses. But what is happening? They don't have the resources to develop it. Then somebody comes and tell you, give me your land, let me develop it so that people will be coming to your place. And he comes and develop it. People will start building shops. Numbers of people will be increasing daily. And that place will develop. Now the land you have, you start selling it million. These are the lands you sell 150,000, 200,000. But now you'll be selling them 5 million, 10 million. If Igbo people did not come and buy land there and develop it, will you sell it 5 million? Leave Igbos alone. Leave Igbos alone. You should be thanking Igbos for coming to your place and develop your land. Igbo people are not coming to your place because they don't have a place to develop. Go. An Igbo man who build a skyscraper in your house, in your land, in your place, buy land and build, go to his house, his home. He has skyscrapers in his home. Igbos are not stupid that they do things outside. They are the people who always believe that akuruno. That is, if wealth reaches home, they will show who owns it. They are titled men. Igbo people are titled men. Go, they have titles. They come to your place. They stay in a very small land. But go, he has a lot in the village. Igbos are the people who like communicating with people. They have liberal hearts, not wicked hearts. A wicked person cannot leave his home and travel to another person's home because he will be taking it the way he is wicked. That is how people will deal with them there. That people that will be there, he was going to meet, will be wicked people. Yes, they will be saying, these people in his heart, they say, what I am doing to people here, that is what they will do me here, because you have a wicked heart. Change. Stop talking about Igbos. Stop talking about Igbos. Let God not fire all of you with brimstone and ashes. Stop. Igbos are blessed people. They are called Umuchuku Okike. That is the God of creation, children of God. Stop disturbing them. They come to buy your land. They did not take your land on a gunpoint. Stop this nonsense. How many have you bought in another land? Don't you like money? Don't you like business? Don't you do business? You don't like doing business? Where? You don't like doing business, don't like money. Every day you are chasing motorcycle and motor. Fuminowo. You don't like money and you are chasing motorcycle. Leave what is holding you so that you have a broad thinking that will make you think and get millions. You stop chasing motorcycle and cars. You start throwing rope along the road, 50 naira, 20 naira. That is chicken money. Igbo doesn't do it. Igbos will do business of billions. They will come to your land empty hand and they work hard. They don't steal. They work hard and make their money. And come and buy the land. You were sleeping when he came. He come and buy the land and build a house. Tomorrow you say, Igbos are taking our land. Igbos are taking our land. Be very careful so that you will not fight the anointed of God. That is it. My name is Ambassador 𝙎𝙃𝙊𝙐𝙇. I don't want to know whether you like what I am saying or not. If you don't like it, go and hawk transformer. If you like it also, thank you. If you like it, that means you like the truth. Subscribe to this channel. I am a prophet. I cannot stop talking until things are done right. How can you be talking bad about people? You come now, you say all Igbos are bad. Yes, Igbos are bad. You come now, you say all Yorubas are bad. They are not. All of them are not bad, but there are bad people. Hausa people are not bad, but there are bad people among them. God bless you. Ladies and gentlemen, do you want to become a landlord of your own? I am standing in front of Oasis Court. Come and get your own house right away. We have houses everywhere. Everywhere. Just make a choice. Wow. Make your choice. We are live in Oasis Court. Come. Don't become a tenant next year. Be a landlord right now. Oasis. Look at house now. Look at house. This is sugar upon sugar. Come and enjoy life. Come and enjoy life. Come and enjoy life. Come and enjoy life. This is house. Home. This is home, not house. Home. Come and enjoy life. Come and enjoy life. Yes, this is our 3-bedroom bungalow. Let's go. Let us see the inside. You see the structure. Very beautiful. This is a home. This solid. Come in.
Solid structure.
Look at everywhere is piled. We are still putting it in place. Everywhere is piled up. Beautiful. Let's go. Come. Follow me. This is exquisite. This is kitchen. This is the kitchen. Look at. Show them here. Show them. Look at. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Come on. This is the parking space. This is store parking space. Can you see it? Okay. Look at the up. Look at. Very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Let's go. Follow me. Follow me. Let's go. You see it? Very beautiful. This is the kitchen room. The sitting room. Let's go to the. This is the bedroom. Handsome and beautiful. Can you see?
Yeah.
Handsome and beautiful. Look at this is the toilet. Yeah. Master and suite. Come, follow me. Let's go. This is another bedroom. You see how beautiful it is? Very beautiful. Look at it all. Very beautiful. Let's go to the toilet. This is the toilet and bed. Can you see? Look at it. Show them. See. This is water. You see how beautiful it is? Let's go. The compound is very beautiful. Follow me. Let's see. Follow me. Let's go. This is the compound. Look at the compound. We will tile all of this place with interlock. Before you enter, we tie everywhere with interlock. Job is still going on. Look at it here. Very beautiful. Let's go. Follow me to the backyard. This is the backyard. All of these places will be tied with interlock. Interlock stone. Beautiful one. Look at the backyard. See? Beautiful. Very beautiful.
Wow.
Come, let me show you the last thing.
This is what
Look at this. Is the back sit out.
Environment.
This is my back sit out. And this is another exit. Show them. This is another exit. From the backyard exit. You see? So, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for to be fighting with landlord every day when you have money to invest? 45 million is not a big money for this type of luxurious investment. Let's go. Be a landlord right now. Let's go.